Hello friends, here I'm again with another video in the sales modules. As with the earlier video we saw about the customers. Now let's say in the sales module how to create our first sales orders. Every company is excited to generate their first sales order. So in our database, Flectra database, we're gonna see how we can create our first sales order. So let's see, directly jump to our Flectra database. So let's go on the sales modules. So if I'm gonna sales modules, I can dashboard, I can create a quotations from here, this patterns. Also I'm going to order and click on the quotations while we can create a quotation of a first sales order actually. So let's say we can create on that. So first we need to select our customers. So I'm going to select our customers, which is Azure Interior. Of course, the expirations we're going to select on the date today. The quotation template. If we generate a sales order, we need to select the quotation templates. We do have the inbuilt in the quotation in the Flectra database. Also, you can create your own sales order quotation templates. The payment terms, end of the following month, which is immediate payment, 15 days, 21 days, 30 days. So I can select, it depends on the customer's requirements and the terms with the company. So I'm going to select in the immediate payment. So let's select add the product first. So I'm going to select the product, which is a lamp. So LED lamp, I'm going to select on that. As you can see, the blue portions are there. So inventory would be over here. The quantity would be the 5. The price would be the here. It's created. Also, we have the optional product over here. So while generating our first sales orders, you can select add product, which is optional. So you can select on that. With the lamp, I want to the desk as well, which is customized on that. So I'm going to select on a customize. If I want to just additionally, it looks like how it with the lamp it goes to the desk. So I'm just select on the add products. For the other informations, I need to select on that which salesperson you want to select for this particular customers or the sales order that generated. So I'm going to select the mark. Fiscal positions, also you can select any option that you can select on this. For the invoicing terms, the sales team would be USA, of course, definitely. If you have analytical accounts in that, so you want to select which of the options are available, which is administrative, the cam to cam Azure Interiors, cam to cam Azure Interiors, the different one, the commercial, the marketing. You can select any of that. For the demo, we are not selecting anyone. For the online signatures, we do have the select for the, if you have to create a signature online in the voice invoices, you can have a check or uncheck on that. We can select online payment. Of course, everything is digitalization right now, so we're going to select online payment. The customer reference, if you have a customer reference this number, so you can select over here. The tags, which the customer it is a product, it is a software, it is a services, it is a information, the design, the training, and the consulting. So we're going to select any of them for the tag references. Delivery, we can select the delivery, which is it could be the shipping as soon as possible, or when all products are ready, then after only we can deliver that. We select the optional products. So we can select individual date if we select as soon as possible. So I'm going to have the 4 days prior on that. Before that timing also I can select, let's say the before the 12 the delivery would happen. So yeah, that's how we can select on that. So this is how the quotations actually works. So I'm gonna, before that, let's save it. So once I save this quotations, we can have the customer preview. So once I select the customer preview, as you can see, the quotation has been generated. As you can see, the pricing would be the LED lamp and the optional product would be over here. So you need to make it that it will to be buyer or not. So you can have the add to cart. So once I select add to cart, it will directly come to the quotations. So let's back on the edit mode. So we can come again on the same page of the quotations. So we now the quotation is ready. As you can see, the quotation is ready. Now it's time to the quotation send. So I'm going to send by email to the customer. So once I click send by email, the pop-up will be generated, and our own template in the Flectra database will appear over here. You can select your own template, you can write it down your own email, and you can save it as your own template. Of course, the PDF file has been generated over here. If you want to attach something, you can attach a file over here. So I'm gonna just send it. So once I just click on send button, it will directly, the PDF file has been generated in our chatter box, and the quotation has been ready for the reviews. So it's ready for the reviews, but definitely the quotation has been sent over here. So I'm gonna confirm this quotations. So once I confirm this quotation sent, it will directly appear over here as a delivery, and our sales order has been generated. So yeah, that's so good. So our first sales order has been generated, and when it's a delivery over here. So if I click on the delivery, it shows about the validation of the products. So yeah, definitely we do have the inventory in hand. So I'm just click apply on that. Oops. Oh, we need to add it on the schedule date. So yeah, let's save it. So yeah, we validated on that. So let's see on our sales module dashboard, the sales order we have generated. So if I click on the sales modules on our dashboard, as you can see, our last quotations, which is a sales order we generated, it appears over here. Our customer would be the Azure Interiors, the salesperson would be the Mark, the company, and the number of amount of the sales order we have generated. You can schedule an activities. If I click on over here, we can schedule an activities that for this particular customers. It could be activity type would be the email, the call, the meeting. Let's say I'm just write it down, the select for the option call. Due date would be the select in that. Wow, what is the purpose of the call? So I would just like to check for prices. So we can select a call, schedule an activity for the call for prices. So assign to Mark. So that's how we can schedule on it. So as you can see, check for the price on the call, activities has been generated. That's all for this videos. That's how we can create a sales order, our first sales order in the sales module. See you in the next video. Bye bye.